Liven up, adding spark to your English. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a phrase that's all about adding a bit of energy and excitement to things. Yes, you've got it. We're talking about liven up. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and some examples to make it stick in your memory. The phrase, liven up, is made of two words, liven, which is a verb derived from live, and up, an adverb. Combined, they suggest the act of making something more lively or energetic. In other words, when you liven something up, you're giving it more life, energy, or excitement. It's one thing to know what a phrase means and another to use it confidently. Here's how. 1. As a verb. The phrase is often used as a verb. For example, this party is boring. We need to liven it up a bit. 2. Describing atmosphere. It can be used to describe anything from events to places or even moods. The decorations really livened up the room. 3. With food and drinks. You can use it to talk about making food or drinks more interesting or flavorful. A squeeze of lemon can really liven up your water. Examples are the best way to understand any phrase. 1. Her jokes always liven up the meetings. 2. The town festival is a great way to liven up the community. 3. His colorful ties always liven up his outfits. Knowing synonyms is a great way to expand your vocabulary. Some synonyms for liven up include revitalize, invigorate, energize, animate. For instance, instead of saying, let's liven up the discussion, you could say, let's invigorate the discussion. And there you have it. Liven up is all about adding that extra spark, energy, or excitement to something. We hope this explanation helps you incorporate it into your daily English conversations. Keep practicing, and as always, keep your English lively. Until next time.